Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is something for Father's Day, and this is the Mankind and Lookfantastic collaboration Father's Day box. The cost of the box is £45 and has a value of £132. If you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, you are able to get this box for £40. However, if you aren't a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, plus you'd rather have a few extra pounds off the box, Mankind have kindly given me a code to share with you which will entitle you to receive 20% off the box. So instead of £45, you'll be paying £36. My code for Mankind, or the code for the Lookfantastic, you'll find down below in my description, as well as links to this Father's Day box as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and unfortunately I've broken something. Gutted, absolutely gutted. I'll show you in a minute what it was. But anyway, let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we've got a little card here, and that's what it looks like there. It is all shuffled around because I tipped this box upside down. Don't know why I did that. I haven't got a clue why I did that. Well, obviously products are going to fall out, and that is why I ended up smashing this moisturiser. That is glass. If it was something like this, it would have been fine. It just happened to be, isn't it? The only thing to fall out, and it is glass. Look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Gutted. This is Hawkins & Bumble Daily Energising Moisturiser. I'm going to have to throw it because it's all got shards of glass in it. So to tell you a little bit about it then, this is a natural daily energising moisturiser, 100 mils, packed full of hydrating natural oils and seed extracts. This handy little bottle packs a punch in your daily skincare routine, fortifying omega-3 and 6 and vitamin E, helps boost your skin's defence against dullness and roughness, and restores pH balance. So next we got something which I'm really excited about actually. This is for my husband for Father's Day, but I'm sure if he leaves that downstairs in our bathroom, I'll have a go as well. This is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. Prebiotic Gel Cleanser for all skin types. It contains kale, nettle and rosemary, and there's 200 mils here. So yeah, that's what it looks like there. Using a cocktail of natural ingredients such as wheatgrass, kale and nettle, this nourishing face wash helps restore your skin's natural radiant glow. Avocado and pumpkin seed oils are combined to deliver health prebiotics to leave skin balanced and feeling refreshed. So we've got a cleanser. Next we got a product by Rituals, and this is the Ritual of Samurai, and this is a body lotion. It contains organic bamboo and cypress. I've got 250 mils there. This is lovely. This is really, really nice. Anytime I have a sample of this, like a body lotion or a shower gel, cream, etc., I always give it to my husband because he really does like it as well. So yeah, he's going to be chuffed at that. So it's a nice big one. This intensely hydrating and deeply purifying body lotion is inspired by the traditions of the Japanese samurai warriors. Enriched with bamboo, this multi-action lotion helps to refresh skin and exfoliates deep into the pores. Japanese mint creates a cooling effect to refresh the senses after exercise. This box looks a little bit battered. Oh. I'm so scatty. Never mind, never mind. We've got a toothpaste, and this is by Marvis Aquatic Mint, and there's 85 mils here. And we've received Marvis toothpaste before in men's grooming boxes as well. Yeah, he really likes it, and we do. We use it as well. This luxury Italian toothpaste brand brings a refreshing creamy toothpaste with an added bonus of whitening whilst brushing. Developed to keep teeth and gums healthy whilst preventing decay, the toothpaste utilises a gentle xylitol and sorbitan based formula to cleanse and condition the teeth without irritation. I haven't got a clue what those two mean. It's just a nice toothpaste. So there you go. Then we got a product by ESPA, and this is ESPA Men Energising Shower Gel, enlivening body wash to cleanse skin and awaken the senses, and we've got 70 mils here. Infused with the brand's signature blend, this formula emits a fatigue-fighting aroma that envelopes the skin and recharges the complexion. A blend of stimulating peppermint, enlivening eucalyptus and clarifying rosemary contribute to a luxurious lather that will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. Next we've got a product by Nip and Fab, and this is Glycolic Scrub Fix Exfoliant Triple Action Facial Polish. I can't get my words out. And there's 75 mils there. And I've used this before and it is nice. It is really nice. I have to be really careful with my skin at the moment. I'm using tretinoin on my skin, so I'm using more liquid form exfoliators. I know my husband will like this because he's tried mine before. This 3-in-1 micro exfoliant infused with glycolic 3% and salicylic acids helps to eradicate dirt and environmental aggressors from the skin surface while deeply cleansing the complexion to reduce the appearance of pores. As well as renewing the skin surface, this scrub helps to reduce the look of blemishes throughout the skin, leaving the complexion feeling softer and brighter. There we got a face serum by Man Cave. This is an anti-pollution face serum. Helps to protect and defend against the visible effects of pollution. And there's 50 mils here. It says, apply to the face and neck until fully absorbed, preferably part of an AM routine to maximise effectiveness throughout the day. This serum helps fight against the key signs of visible stress to the skin, while Marubium vulgare extract helps to stimulate the skin's natural antioxidants. Face serum. Then we've got a product by Menu, and this is a 3-minute detox excess oil remover ultra concentrate. Is this a mask? I'll have a read now. There's 100 mils there. This quick action formula gets to work by effectively removing dirt and impurities from the skin's surface. Kaolin clay, witch hazel and zinc oxide work in tandem to help unclog pores and leave skin feeling revitalised. The deep cleansing ingredients help remove unwanted shine and minimise excess oil. Yeah, it's like a mask. It says here, apply an even layer, avoiding the eyes, allow the product to dry for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly with clean warm water and pat dry. So yeah, so it's a 3 to 5 minute mask. And then lastly, we've got a multi-balm by eCooking, fragrance free, and there's 75 mils here. These multi-balms are so handy, really handy. We've got quite a few of them that the kids use as well for lip balms. If we've got like dry, well me in particular, dry cuticles, dry elbows. Yeah, it's just really handy to have. This multi-balm utilises organic and natural ingredients for maximum effect. Infused with vitamin E, the multitasking miracle balm melts effortlessly into skin to soothe and comfort. The balm helps lock in moisture for a hydrated look that lasts. So we got a multi-purpose balm there. So those are all the products, so I'll just go through them all and give you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Hawkins and Brimble, a moisturiser. We've got a Marvis toothpaste. We've got a Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Scrub. We've got a Menu 3-minute detox mask. A Man Cave face serum. ESPA Energising shower gel. A Rituals Sport body lotion. Elemis Superfood facial wash. And lastly, an eCooking multi-purpose balm. So there's 9 products in all. The cost of the box is £45, or you can shop on the Mankind website and you can use my code to reduce it by 20%. If you want to use those codes, that is, it's completely up to you. I think there's a really good mix of products in there. If you've got a man in your life that absolutely adores beauty products, or maybe not, if they're just starting to get into beauty, maybe they, I don't know, they fancy a moisturiser, maybe they fancy a fancy cleanser or something, then this is a good way to like get in there. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Is this the type of thing that you would buy your father for Father's Day, or your partner, etc.? Or are you looking at this box as a nice gift to buy someone? Get rid of the box that says Father's Day, but wrap up all the products as a one-off present for a friend or something. I don't know, whatever your thinking is, I'd love to hear, even if this is not a box for you. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.